Today we're going to show you an easy way to cook king oyster mushroom. It is one of my favorite types of mushroom, not only because it has many health benefits, but also the mushroom's chewy and you can make it taste just like meat. It only takes about 15 minutes to finish this nice king oyster mushroom dish. First, we're going to cut the mushroom into 1-inch slices. And then, we're going to score the surface of the mushroom slices. We do it horizontally and vertically, just like a cross. It will quicken the cooking process and let the mushroom easily absorb the nice flavor from the sauce later. Next, we will need 2 spring onions, some chili peppers. The peppers are optional. If you would like your sauce spicy, you can add more and more peppers or less or not have them at all, whatever you want. And then 6 cloves of garlic. We're going to separate the spring onion between the white and the green parts. The white part we're going to cut into larger pieces for aroma in the sauce. And the green part we're going to chop into small pieces for garnishing later. Then, we're going to chop the chili pepper. Remove the stem first. We are using Thai chili peppers here. It's my favorite kind. You can switch to whatever kind of spicy pepper you like. Next, we're going to crush some garlic and dice them into small pieces. To prepare the sauce in a bowl, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, a ½ teaspoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch will thicken the sauce and make it easily stick to the mushroom, so we can have very saucy mushrooms. We need ½ tablespoon of sugar and ½ cup of water. And at last, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Heat a pan at medium-high heat. Once the pan is heated, add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We're going to add the mushroom and pan fry it. Once one side is done, flip it. This step will let the water inside the mushroom come out, so that later it can absorb the tasty flavor from our sauce. Once the other side is done, we take it out and leave it on a plate for later use. Still in the same pan, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And then add garlic and spring onion into it. Once you can smell the aroma, add sauce into the pan and bring to a boil. Add the mushroom back into the pan and let it cook for about 3 minutes on high heat. Let the sauce reduce. It kind of looks like a scallop, right? Actually, the texture is a little bit like a scallop. It's also kind of like chicken, and just kind of like a meat, you know. If you have never tried the king oyster mushroom before, we highly recommend to give it a try. With a few simple preparations, you can make a delicious dish. Once the sauce is done, we add the chili pepper in. I like my mushrooms to be very spicy. Stir well, and then take it out of the pan. At the end, garnish with some spring onion, and now it's time to enjoy this delicious king oyster mushroom. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in this king oyster mushroom, we will introduce it in more recipes in the future. Make sure to like and subscribe, and click the bell button so you can see those future recipes.